At the Her Memorial Library in Mifflinburg, there are some new upgrades as soon as you walk through the front door, including a circulation desk and expanded children's section. The library just received a $10,000 Accessible Small and Rural Communities grant through the American Library Association. Library Director Sandy Hornberger says the money is meant to improve accessibility of facilities, services, and programs so libraries can better serve people with disabilities. In preparation for this grant, Hornberger says she contacted the Columbia Snyder Montour Union System Office of Behavioral Health and Developmental Services to get some recommendations. She says they told her some of the needs in the community are adults with neurodivergent disorders.
She said sometimes they just need a place to go where they can be with people with similar disabilities, people who they know won't judge them and where they feel safe and where they're comfortable, so that we might get some programming for them.
Hornberger says she wants to use some of the grant money to create 2 sensory rooms, one for children and the other for teens. The grant money also includes staff training.
It could be books maybe on autism or books just in general that help people with disabilities. So decoding and special skills.
With the library serving a rural area, Hornberger says it's important to have this type of a grant opportunity for many reasons.
I think that we're talking about underserved members of the community. It's important to give people opportunities that they wouldn't otherwise have, whether it's the children or if it's adults.
Hornberger says disabilities are not always physical. Sometimes it is neurodiverse disorders and even autism. She says she has an idea of what she wants the children's sensory room to look like.
With this sensory space, I want to do half the room as sensory and half as a maker space that we're working on. I applied for a different grant for that. But we do a lot of children's programming.
Hornberger says in August, the library will have a meeting with members of the community to see what they feel are needs for disabilities. She says once that is done, they will figure out where to put the money. Justin Geck, Newswatch 16, Union County.